Apple's recent release of the iPhone 16 lineup has certainly garnered attention. But for those holding out for something more revolutionary, the rumors around the iPhone 17 series are already generating substantial excitement. Expected to launch in 2025, this upcoming series promises several groundbreaking features that could make the wait worthwhile. Let's break down what to expect from Apple's next impressive leap in smartphone technology. One of the most talked about features of the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max is the anticipated under-display Face ID technology, as reported by industry insider Ross Young. Unlike current models, which still have a notch or cutout for the Face ID and selfie camera, the iPhone 17 Pro versions are expected to leave just a small cutout for the selfie camera. This advancement will bring us a step closer to the dream of a full-screen display and might be the last iteration before Apple transitions to an entirely all-screen design in future models. Another exciting development is the expansion of ProMotion technology beyond the Pro models. The iPhone 17 and 17 Plus are rumored to feature 120 Hz refresh rates, which will enhance the smoothness of scrolling and video playback. Additionally, the always-on display feature will allow users to check the time, notifications, and widgets without unlocking their phones, adding an extra layer of convenience. The iPhone 17 series will also expand display sizes for the standard models. The base iPhone 17 is expected to feature a 6.3-inch display, while there are talks of a new larger iPhone 17 Plus or a completely redesigned model with an entirely new display size. These changes will follow the trend set by the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, which upgraded to 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch displays from their predecessors' 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch screens, respectively. Photography enthusiasts have much to look forward to in the iPhone 17 series. Building on the iPhone 16 Pro's new 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera and its second-generation quad-pixel sensor, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to boast an all 48-megapixel rear camera system. This would include the telephoto lens, potentially optimized to work seamlessly with Apple's Vision Pro headset. Selfie lovers won't be left out either. All models in the iPhone 17 lineup are expected to feature a substantial upgrade to a 24-megapixel front-facing camera with a 6-element lens, replacing the current 12-megapixel 5-element setup. This means clearer, crisper selfies, even when cropped or zoomed in. The Pro models may come with a memory upgrade to 12 GB of RAM. While it remains unclear if both Pro versions will get this upgrade, it will certainly enhance multitasking and overall performance. For comparison, the current iPhone 16 models come with 8 GB of RAM. Future iPhones might also feature a tougher display than the existing ceramic shield, with a super hard anti-reflective layer. This advancement will improve scratch resistance and reduce glare when using the phone outdoors, making it more durable and user-friendly. The iPhone 17 Pro Max may also introduce a smaller dynamic island, thanks to new technology that reduces the size of the Face ID system. This upgrade will provide even more screen real estate for a better viewing experience. One of the most notable innovations could be the introduction of a Wi-Fi 7 chip in the Pro models. This advanced chip will offer faster connections, improved reliability, and lower latency, significantly enhancing multitasking capabilities and reducing Apple's reliance on external suppliers for this essential technology. For those looking for a fresh design, the completely redesigned iPhone 17 Slim might be the one to watch. This model is expected to feature a significantly thinner frame, a single rear camera, a revamped dynamic island, an aluminum chassis, and the cutting-edge A19 chip. Designed to offer something new and different, this model could be a game-changer for Apple. If you're considering an upgrade but want to hold out for something truly spectacular, the iPhone 17 series promises to be worth the wait. Stay tuned for more updates and leaks as we get closer to its anticipated 2025 release. If you enjoyed this article, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest reviews and upcoming content on all things tech. Thank you for reading, and we'll see you in the next update.